How we doing, troops? Murray fella. Sorry been away a while, we know well. But we're getting there, yeah. What about the big fucking beast with Welsh Royd, big dirty Decca? Hanging about train toilets again. Yeah, fucking dirty nonce, You see the video when he's standing outside the toilets? But I'll tell you what, here. And he's talking about a video I watched, his soon counts. Soon counts. But now he's not got hundreds of thousands, because you know he can't sue, because he fucking done it. Fucking rat bastard, you nonce bastard. He fucking done it, alright. You done it, Hector. Telling you right now, Sandra, you fucking done it. 3 fucking kids. And listen, I'll tell you now, last week, Linda Simpson, Decca. Lassie you went with a few years ago. How'd she fall out with you, Decca? Because you fucking tried it on with her fucking young daughter. That's why. And that is a fucking fact. You fucking beast, you man. No. All his fighters are pulling out. Now he's wanting to fight every one of them in the ring. Usealll, send it on. Oh, it's falling apart at the seams. No, and a national newspaper's got to do a story on your trolling. But what about the one, the sexual offence when you hang me the lassie into the toilet? What about that anyway? No newspaper's going to fucking talk about your trolling when they even know you done that. Even though the restaurant at Acro, you got away with it for the cop shop, right? And been questioned because Wayne's family were fucking scared. Scared. Fucking, oh, you're a dirty nonce bastard, man. So yeah. Aye, so, and what else? You've never had a way. You try to hide up in intros till you get clocked. Till you get fucking clocked, man. Aye, dirty wrong, you troops, so. But all the troops out there, keep your head up, stay strong, and all the fighters get too far away for that fucking wronging. No. Good night, God bless for the Murray fella. Oh, Usealll, send on your top flat and Usealll for Dickie Hickey would be if he was up the road. Behind the wood. Usealll.